signals, meaning links that real people go out and share of your content, which can help you rank in Google, as well as social shares, including things to social bookmarking sites, Web 2.0 sites like WordPress, and a bunch of other different type of social networking sharing links that you can get. So whenever I first heard about this, first I didn't really even want to review it, because there's no way that a software can get you 100% authentic social signals. That implies that someone actually found your content, shared it themselves, a real person, and that they have a unique IP address, they have a whole different Gmail or Google Plus account or Facebook account, and in Google's eyes, that counts as a real person sharing it, which is going to boost your rank a lot better, because there's real people going out sharing your content, which tells Google that, hey, it must be helpful, we should give it more authority. And I didn't know how a software can do that, but it turns out that it actually can, and there are real people sharing your links. I'm going to explain all that in a second. And I did some investigating as well, and it looks like the creator of this did get a number of real proof and case studies. You can check that out more on the sales page whenever it launches. Now, the way this works is it's divided into two parts. You have social signals and then social shares. Now, to start a social signals campaign, you want to go to My Campaigns, and then you can click here to start a brand new campaign. So you can enter the name of it, what URL you want to get backlinks to. This can be your YouTube video, your WordPress site, a client site. This is actually going to come with a commercial right, so you can use this all for clients as well as yourself. You have to choose a category here for some of the shares. You can put a limit on this. So say this platform will actually allow you to get unlimited social signals and social shares. But if there's a limit you want for a certain campaign, you don't want it to go over like 1,000, then you can put in 1,000, and it will stop the campaign at that point. And you can also put in a daily limit. Now, this is going to prevent you from getting 1,000 shares in one day, which might look a little odd and not natural. So you can put a daily limit of like 10 or 20 in there. And then you can choose what type of signal you want. So a Facebook like, Facebook share, Google Plus, Twitter tweet. These are the type of signals you'll get. And you'll see this thing over here that says credit per signal. Well, this is how this is all going to work, is that this is a credit-based system where you can set up the campaigns here, and then you can go to share and share other people's campaigns. So first, you go here, set up your campaign. There's some campaigns already running here. And then you can go to share, and other people will be doing this as well. And then your campaign will pop up here. You can share it on Facebook, and you'll earn 3 credits. You can view it. And that's going to earn you some credits. You can tweet about it. That will earn you some credits here. And whenever you go here to create one, and then you can see here it says Facebook share equals 3 credits. Well, every time you get a share, that's going to deduct 3 credits from you. So right now I'm up to like 8,000 credits. So every time someone shares it, well, I lose 3 credits. But I can regain those 3 credits by going over to the share module, sharing this on Facebook here to get 2 credits, or liking it here, sharing this on Facebook over here to regain my 3 credits. So I'll go ahead and click share, and then it will be, basically I'll be sharing their link. In this case, it's something about Provely, someone's trying to get shares for, and I will. It will be like a real share for that person. It won't be like a bot submitting it, or from the same IP address multiple times like other social or other SEO tools in the past have done. So that's kind of how all this works, is this credit sharing system, to make sure that all the links are 100% authentic and there's real people actually sharing and tweeting about it in Google's eyes, which is going to help everyone. Now, the same thing applies to social shares. So these are social signals where people tweet it on their social media. Social shares are where it actually posts it. And first, let's see all the targets you can do. You can post it to a Facebook page, or someone else can, as you'll see with the credits. You can do Web 2.0 links like Blogger, WordPress.com, LiveJournal. There's other things like Instapaper for different links. These are private blog networks if you want to submit to those. Here's a WordPress self-hosted blog that's up. Here's a MySpace. So you can get all these different social shares and links as well in the social shares signal. And it works exactly the same. You go to My Campaigns, click to choose a campaign. You enter the name, the URL you want shared. In this case, you can now add keywords. You can add, again, the limit, a daily limit of shares, depending on what you choose. you can go ahead and click the blog and edit the content of the blog. Now this is going to support spin syntax. So if you're going to submit to multiple Web 2.0 sites, then you can put a spin syntax in here using spun text, or if you have any sort of tool like the best spinner, you can use that. Add tags here, and then if you chose social bookmarks, you want to go ahead and fill out the content for your social bookmarking campaigns and tags. And then you want to click add. Then we're going to go to my campaigns here, and then we have a couple campaigns already up and running, and you can just delete them, edit them if you want to change them, view the progress and everything like that. And then just like before, you can go down here to share. And then again, the software isn't going to just submit it from the same IP address and kind of maybe even hurt your videos or your links or anything like that. You can go over here and then share. Just click these campaigns here. Obviously, if you see something that's not, you don't want to share on your social media, or you can probably just create a separate account that's different from your public one. But you can click this architecture thing someone submitted and they need shared. Click share selected, and then you're going to earn, in this case, 1.5 credits for just quickly sharing this real fast. Here's another one that was it's a social bookmark. You can earn 30 credits for this one, so that's pretty good. Click this, click share. It's going to ask you to share it on the social bookmark site. You'll do that, and then 30 credits. And then once you actually do it, and the software verifies that, hey, you actually submitted it, then 30 credits get added to your account. And then we can go over here to our campaigns, and then we'll have more campaigns to submit and start getting more links. Now, over here you can go to credits, see the history of everything that's happening for you. So right now we have someone performed social signal over here for me. Here's one that someone performed as well. Now there's a couple that I performed here where it says, I did this. I did a quick Twitter tweet. There's an animation video signal I did for someone who's trying to rank this site. That was 2 credits. You can see your history here of how it's all going around. Now there's already 2,000 people in Syndbuddy, and then when it launches, obviously there's going to be a lot more. So there should be enough people sharing and sharing your videos, trying to build credits, and then of course you can go ahead and share it yourself. If you have some extra money, you can hire just a freelancer to come in here and share people's stuff for 5 minutes to get your credits back up for that month. Or there's a way to actually, whenever you go to the main sales page, buy the main version of this, and it's going to come with 2,000 credits right from the bat. And also, if you upgrade to OTO1, then you can get done for you, credits supplied into your account each day that you can lock in for early bird discount access, the launch access, meaning that you don't have to go back and buy them over again. You get them at a special access each month. This is OTO1, and then they'll just replenish each month for you to get more social shares for your clients or your own videos or your own sites. So overall, this is very good because it's real people sharing it. It's not just a bot that's going around and posting it to different social bookmarking sites. To Google, they see that it's just the same IP address and the same content, and not actual people, real people sharing it. And that's not too good for your rank. It might not tank, it might not penalize you, but at the same time, Google's they've invested billions and billions of dollars into this tool. They know that people who are just using tools to try to rank are people who are actually getting real people to share their content and their stuff. So this can be more powerful than other tools that have come out. Now, of course, depending on how much backlinking you're doing, you may have to do some work sharing other people's. That's how it's based, as a credit system. Or, like I said, you can have a VA do it if you want. Or if you have some extra money, you can purchase credits and just have them replenished, like I was talking about. And of course, this isn't going to work unless you have quality content to begin with. You're not just going to put a bad video up that doesn't really explain or do a review. Like, say, for example, an affiliate video of something on Amazon. You can't just, copy and paste the description, put it in a video in 5 minutes, think Syndbuddy is going to rank at #1 on Google, and then you're going to retire. That's not how it works. You're going to have to actually do a real review of the product, provide some value, maybe add some bonuses like I've been talking about in previous emails. And then you can help get it started, get it indexed with Google with the social signals, help get it ranked with the shares as well as the signals as well, and then kind of kickstart it in Google to hopefully make some affiliate income. If you're doing affiliate videos, if you're trying to do content, you can use it for that. anything you want to rank, including if you provide services for clients, you can use this like as a monthly service, or like even just charge individually as well. Now, if Syndbuddy looks like something that's going to help your business, you're into SEO, you're trying to get more traffic, trying to kickstart some campaigns, then it's going live at 11 a.m. EST. It's going to be available for lifetime access. The price looked pretty good, and you can learn more about it on the sales page whenever it launches, and the different credits that you can buy along with it. Right on the front end, there'll be 3 different packages. The most is 2,000 credits right to start with. And of course, you're going to be getting a lot of SEO quality relevant bonuses as well to help you get results with Syndbuddy. Because if you get results, then that helps me and that helps the vendor, and it's a win-win situation when everyone's winning. So you can check all those bonuses out below. So thanks for watching this review of Syndbuddy. Hopefully this was clear and gave some accurate information, and I'll talk to you again soon.